Welcome back to a brand new coffee tech break with Jan. Good to see you back on my channel again. I think you got another great video for you lined up. Now let's look at the use cases of the Poly TC10. I think this is a really nice one, but also some things which are good to know, specifically looking at versions. So you can use the TC10 as a control panel at the table, or you can use it as a scheduling panel at the entrance of the meeting room. And I did some videos on that earlier, which you're able to review if you're looking for more details on that. Now, specifically on the versions, I think that is important. Now, if you pair it up, the TC10 with the Studio X, you're gonna be on version 4.x, which can be 4.12 or newer, just as long as you are staying aligned with the Studio X. Now, if you're gonna use the TC10 as a scheduling panel at the entrance of the room, be aware that you're going to be on version 5.x, and that automatically comes along with the device. If you go to the out-of-box wizard, it automatically will ask you to upgrade to 5.x. If you pair it up with the Studio X, it will automatically align with the Studio X version, and just to be aware of that. Now, if you're going to use it as a scheduling panel, as you see right here, then you're still going to be on version 5, and the touch panel, which is inside the room, is going to be on version 4, just to be aware. And probably at the end of the tunnel, all versions are going to be aligned, but for now, you're going to have version 5 scheduling panel, and version 4 to be compatible with Studio X is going to be on the control panel. Now, how do you switch between those two? Because that is possible, but you got to do that to a factory reset. Because if you do a factory reset, it will prompt you again with the out-of-box wizard, and that is to pair it up with the Studio X or to use it as a standalone scheduling panel. So that is, I think, a really nice one, and we'll give you some tips and tricks if you want to switch between the two. Now, how can you do a factory reset? Well, the first one is using the reset button. So if you go in the system settings underneath the device, you got there the option on the admin settings to reset the device, which will bring you back to that out-of-box wizard there. If you don't have access to those admin settings, you can always go into the pinhole. So underneath you got the pinhole, just put in a pin, put in the power and the PoE, it will boot up and it will automatically factory reset the device, and it will bring you back to that out-of-box wizard.